How to create a photo album on iPhone. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into your application Photos or Gallery. Inside Gallery, you will see all of your videos and photos. From here, select the photos or the videos that you want to add it to an album. Once you've selected, click on the share icon. At the bottom, you can see Add to Album. Click on it. Now you can add the selected photos in any of these albums, or you can create a new one by clicking on this icon. Name the album that you want to. Once done, tap on Create. There you can see that new album has been created and the photos and the videos that you've selected has also been added. So this is simply how you can create an album on iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.